from Trendy Tree, and someone had asked me how I set my room up to do videos from home. Well, I've taken this empty bedroom. It's not a huge room. I don't know exactly what size it is, but I've turned it into my craft room. And of course, as you see, my piano's in here, which is kind of in the way, but I'm not really ready to get rid of it. But I have my table set up between 3 lights. I have a big box light on either side, and they're kind of at about my height, I guess. And then this other light that's on a pole here is what they call a hair light. So it drops down closer over the table. And then of course my video camera's on a tripod, and I operate it with a remote. So I have the cords all connected so that I can just flip the switch. They're connected to a power bar here on the floor, and I can just flip that switch to cut them off and on. And of course, then my easel is in the corner, and that's just a decorative easel that I had. And the board is it's kind of like a melamine board. I got that at Lowe's, and it's already pre-cut, so it's about 36 inches by 24, and then I just use a command hook to hang my wreaths on. So when I'm behind my craft table, I have a remote that I use to operate my camera. So then I can, when I need to zoom in with my camera, I can do that with the remote, and then sometimes I'll zoom in to make it, you know, directly over whatever I'm working on. And I have other camera holders. I have the Archon mount that I use when I'm using my phone or iPad for a video. And let's see, here it is right here. Sorry, I should have had that sitting out, but you can set your iPad on it, you can put your phone on it, you can use your phone, all this moves in all different kinds of ways. And then this on the front here is a holder for your iPad. And if I'm doing like a live, I will use the phone holder for my phone, and then I can put my iPad there and I can see, you know, what the comments are. But anyway, so there it is. It's a makeshift video studio in an extra bedroom. Thanks for watching.